Namaste, my friends. Let's make your Paschimottanasana or forward fold better in just 5 minutes. Stay with me and I will show you all the tricks. In order to start our practice, I would like you to take the Dandasana pose or the staff pose. So here we simply stay with our back completely straight, gazing forward. Just couple breaths. Now we bend our knees at around 90 degrees and we bring our belly on the thighs. So kind of like glue your belly on the thighs. And here this feeling is extremely important will be. So grab your toes or grab your shin, your ankles. Here we do 3 breaths. Now, very, very slowly, start walking your feet forward or your pelvis, your buttocks back, the way you prefer. And stay in the position where still your belly is attached to the thighs, but you can no longer straighten your knees. So the moment you start to straighten them a bit more, there is a distance. So keep your belly on the thighs, the maximum length that you can go for today. Here we stay again for 3 breaths. And with every exhale, try to relax a bit more, as there is more space in your belly, which is liberated thanks to the air which comes out. Perfect. Now maybe like couple moves further if you can. And again, we stay here for just 1 breath. After that, we turn to the right. So I want you to, first of all, bring yourself to the right as much as you can, kind of like in the twist. And you can bring also your elbow from the right side of your knee, from your hamstrings, like this. And help yourself a bit to turn, to twist, but be sure that the back is completely straight. So now, of course, there will be some distance between the thighs and the belly. Here, it's important to twist. If you can, put your hands in Namaste, and we're gazing back. Another thing to notice, that one of the legs doesn't go like this, back. So they should be at the same level. Better to twist a bit less, but feet are together. Very well, perfect. Now to the center, and now we will do the same on the left. So twisting to the left, putting your elbow behind your knee. Help yourself to twist with a straight spine, being sure that the feet are together. Putting hands in Namaste and gazing back if you can. If you cannot, simply gaze to the left. If you cannot put your elbow, simply grab your foot, for example, your shin. Try to do the way you can, but important with a straight back, we're twisting to the left here. Very well, to the center. Straighten your back, it can be even here, but the back is straight. Try to put your belly once again on the hamstrings, on the thighs. Gazing forward. And now we will do the same to the right, but now I want you to round the back completely. Make it as round as possible so that you can feel the stretching in the left side of your body. Be sure that the feet are together. Round the back. Once again to the center. Try to straighten your back. Now to the left, rounding the back, stretching this right side of our back, right side of our body. Feet together. Breathe. evenly, smoothly, slowly. Now to the center. Back is straight. From here we're trying to straighten one leg. We're straightening the right one, keeping the left one bent and your belly on the thigh. So our belly remains on the left thigh. Try to straighten it as much as you can. Here, 3 breaths. Gazing forward, back is straight. Perfect. Now bend both of the legs. Now try to straighten the left leg. The right one remains bended and your belly is on the right thigh. 3 breaths here. And it can be even this way. It doesn't matter how low or how high you are for today. Doing this practice regularly will help you definitely to improve your Paschimottanasana significantly. Now bend both of the legs. Once again, back is straight, helping yourself maybe with your fingers, with your hands to straighten it a bit more. Gazing forward, belly on the thighs. And now we're trying to straighten our legs a bit more, as much as you can. Maybe you're able to do 1 centimeter more, maybe 5, as much as you can. Here once again, 3 breaths. Belly's on the thighs. Inhale, and with the exhale, we're trying to straighten our legs or simply stay in the position where we were, maybe rounding a bit the back and going in your variation of Paschimottanasana. It can be like this. It's completely fine. It's better to try to keep your back straight than your legs straight. So try to gaze forward. Of course, if you're doing it for 5 minutes, you're holding it, it's better to relax the back completely, gazing down, relaxing your neck, maybe putting your forearms on the ground and staying for as long as you wish. Maybe all the way there. You can grab your feet from both sides. You can lock your hands behind your feet. You can grab your toes this way, any way you prefer. And we stay in our Paschimottanasana for as long as you like. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope your Paschimottanasana became so much better. It definitely will with time, and you will be able to fold and stay there and almost fall asleep. Please leave your comments if you would like to share with me something. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come. Namaste.